Students, in continuation of our parts, electrophilic substitution reaction and nucleophilic substitution reactions, organic chemistry, second semester. Here we are dealing with what the reactions between the formaldehyde, secondary amines, and active methylene group. As you can say, these carbonyl compounds, this R1 and R2, it may be similar or different. In presence of acidic condition, so what is the product? We can take these types of the product is R, this is the N, this one is the R. Again, the reaction between this ammonia, this nitrogen atoms R2, it is treated with what? H. Again, this one is the hydrogen atoms, and this carbonyl carbons, it is having, we can take this R1, this is the again C double bond O, and this R2 is as it is, this one is the hydrogen and hydrogen. So this can say this alpha and this one is the beta, so this is known as what? Beta amino ketone. This beta amino ketone is the product of Mannich reaction. So what is the Mannich reaction? The reaction between the formaldehyde as in the secondary amines and this active methylene compound, it must be what? One of the hydrogen atoms. One hydrogen atom is must here. So the reaction takes place in what? The three reactant molecules is combines in acidic condition. The reaction condition is the acidic medium. Then formation of the beta amino ketone. Beta amino ketone is the product of the Mannich reaction. So overall, this is known as the Mannich reaction. So what is the mechanism? What is the mechanism of such types of the reaction? इसका mechanism हम देखते हैं. The first of all, the starting reactant molecule is what? If you can take the starting reactant molecule is a carbonyl compound. As you can take this carbonyl compound, Sc double bond OH, formaldehyde. This oxygen atoms having the lone pair of electron takes place in acidic condition, having tendency to take the proton. It is the OH, and this O become to positive charge, and H1 is H1. Again, it is react with the secondary amine RNH2 R2N. So this R2NH, this secondary amines, it is a nucleophilic addition takes place on this carbon oxygen multiple bond. So this is what a nucleophilic addition on what? A carbon hetero multiple bond. So this is most important, nucleophilic addition on the carbon hetero multiple bond, that is a carbon oxygen multiple bond. So what happened? This is what? One of the hydrogen, two hydrogen atoms is isolated. New bond is formed between the nitrogen atom. The new bond is formed between the nitrogen and the carbon atoms. These two hydrogen at this alkyl group is as it is, one of the hydrogen is positive charge and become to the what? This is the OH. So what happened in the next step? In continuation of the step, what happened? यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Next step पे, so this what? Minus H plus. So you can take this is the minus H plus, or this lone pair of electrons having tendency to take this proton. This is the minus H plus, this is minus. As you can say minus H plus, plus minus. Okay here. So what happened here? Formation of what? C. हम यहाँ पे इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे. One hydrogen, one hydrogens. Again what? These carbon atoms having the OH, and this becomes to the OH positive charge. This poor living group become to good living group. This poor living group become to good living group after accepting the proton from the nitrogen atoms, and this is the nitrogen atoms again which are having the two alkyl group is there. So this is can R1, and you can take this is the R2. As you can see this R1 R2, and again here you can also take this R1 and R2 here. R1 R2 यहाँ पे हम ले सकते हैं. Again what? This nitrogen atoms again lone pair of electrons tendency to take, and this loss of this is the water molecules. Then what happened? There is formation of the carbon nitrogen double bond. This nitrogen carries the positive charge, this R1 and this one is R2. So you can take this one or two hydrogen atoms. So it is formation of the imine species. So this is called as the imine. As you can say this imine species यहाँ पे formation होता है. So as you can the first step and the second step, third one and the last the fourth one step number second here, step number second, step number third one, and here the step number fourth one. So what happened in continuation of the part of the step number fifth one, we can take this is the carbonyl compound. This carbonyl compounds which can take this R1 and R2 is here. So again these types of the carbon which are the more active methylene group having tendency. तो यहाँ पे पहला क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसका इनोल फॉर्मेशन करेंगे. So this formation the enolization. So this going to the formation of the OH, this one R, and this one is again what? R, and this one is R2. यहाँ पे R1 लिया और यहाँ पे हम R2 ले सकते हैं. So this is the R1 R2. यहाँ पे क्या किया, formation of the enol. Formation of enol, it is react with these types of the species. Here it is most important. This is carbon carbon double bond. This carbon carbon double bond I am writing here. This one of the hydrogen hydrogen और यहाँ पे double bond है nitrogen nitrogen. This one is R1 and this one is R2. Very simple reaction. So what happen here? This OH nucleophile, this bond is break here and this is the nucleophilic addition on the carbon nitrogen multiple bond. As you can say, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, दिस OH बॉन्ड को ब्रेक किया और कार्बन कार्बन और कार्बन के बीच में जो पाई बॉन्ड है यहाँ से शिफ्ट हुआ और यहाँ पे आया. मतलब यहाँ पे हम जो ये करें तो इसको कहते हैं न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन ऑन कार्बन हेट्रो, एज यू कैन से कार्बन नाइट्रोजन मल्टीपल बॉन्ड. सो दिस न्यूक्लियोफिलिक कार्बन कार्बन मल्टीपल बॉन्ड, यहाँ पे कार्बन कार्बन मल्टीपल बॉन्ड किया. सो दिस इज द कार्बन कार्बन मल्टीपल बॉन्ड. So this addition reaction is takes place and then formation of what, this R group is as it is. Again what, this C become to double bond O. Okay, this C, sorry यहाँ पे C double bond O हुआ, उसके बाद CH. Okay, this is the CH, this R1 group. The C R1 and this one is R2 group is here. So what happened, this is a CC bond is formed between the carbon and carbon. CC bond is formed, this one of the hydrogen atoms, and this C bond CC new bond new CC bond is formed. Generation of the CC bond. Then what happened, this nitrogen atoms, here two hydrogen atom is as it is. Here this two hydrogen atom, this one and this one hydrogen atoms, I am written here the two hydrogen atom is as it is, and this nitrogen having the two alkyl group, that is we already written, this is the R1 and R2. So this is called as this alpha and this one is beta. So that's why this is called, this is alpha beta. So not only alpha beta here, but this is the principal group. The principal group of the carbon atoms having the alpha carbon atom, this alpha carbon and this one is the beta carbon. So on the beta carbon atom, that is the amine is there. That's why we call this is the beta amino. The name of the product, it is called as the beta amino ketone. So beta amino ketone is the final product of the Mannich reaction. So this most important reaction, this most important part, the types of the reaction is compulsory asked in a computer exam, NET, SET and your computer exam, it is a GATE. So this is the one of the GATE exams. You will ask the GATE exam, NET exam or the SET exam. So how the question is asked, you have to provide the reactant species and predict the product. You should have to provide the reactant species and reaction condition and predict the product. आपको पूछा जाएगा. So the second step number 5th, यहाँ पे स्टेप नंबर फर्स्ट है, ये सेकंड वन है, थर्ड वन है, फोर्थ वन, और यहाँ पे हमने लिखा फिफ्थ वन स्टेप. अगेन दिस इज व्हाट सिक्स्थ वन स्टेप एंड दिस लास्ट वन स्टेप. दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द बीटा अमीनो कीटोन इज द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ such types of the reaction is known as. Again I will explain the part of the starting reactant molecule. The starting reactant molecule is that this is what secondary amine formaldehyde, secondary amine formaldehyde and active methylene group is react in the condition, this acidic condition, and the formation of what beta amino ketone is the final product of what Mannich reaction. इसको कहा जाता है Mannich reaction. कैसे क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं आपके सेमिस्टर वाइज एग्जाम एज द पार्ट ऑफ द MSc organic second semester, as well as your competitive exam, as well as your competitive exam, that is the NET, national eligibility test, state level eligibility test and the GATE. So how the question is asked, predict the product. यहाँ पे मैं आपको 4 या 5 क्वेश्चन आपको कैसे पूछे जाते हैं एग्जाम में उसका देखता हूँ. क्वेश्चन इज दैट predict, as you can say predict the product, predict the product, predict the product with mechanism. ये आपको सेमिस्टर में क्वेश्चन होगा. नेट सेट गेट की बात करते हैं तो आपको ऑप्शन वाइज क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा. रिएक्शन दिया जाएगा आपको. इफ यू आर टू द प्रोवाइडेड द रिएक्शन पार्ट ऑफ द रिएक्शन, दिस इज द साइक्लोहेक्सेनॉन, पेंटेनॉन, साइक्लोपेंटेनॉन, साइक्लोहेक्सेनॉन, फर्स्ट, सेकंड वन, third one you have to provided such types of the reaction. This is react with what CH2O formaldehyde. It is again treated with multi-component. This is the multi-component reaction. As you can take, this is the secondary amines, CH3N taken twice NH, again pH taken twice NH. So not only this is aliphatic amine but also aromatic amines आपको दिया जा सकता है. Again you can this ethyl AT taken twice and NH in the presence of H plus acidic condition, in presence of H plus acidic condition, आपको यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करना है विथ मैकेनिज्म. देखो मैं यहाँ पे आपको प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करता हूँ. यहाँ पे इसका प्रोडक्ट आएगा वेरी सिंपल. एक्टिव मेथिलीन ग्रुप आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, चूज़ करना है. एक्टिव मेथिलीन ग्रुप आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, चूज़ करना है. यहाँ पे ये है ग्रुप आपका. यहाँ पे देखो रिएक्शन कहाँ पे होता है, इसके अल्फ़ा पे होगा. इसके अल्फ़ा पे ये CH2 आएगा, उसके बाद नाइट्रोजन और ये 2 मिथिल ग्रुप. वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे ऐसा होगा नाइट्रोजन और यहाँ पे 2 फिनिल ग्रुप पीएच. वेरी सिंपल. देखो बेटा वेरी सिंपल है. पीएच यहाँ पे आया, नाइट्रोजन यहाँ पे है. इस नाइट्रोजन को यहाँ पे इसमें बॉन्डिंग हुआ, लॉस ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल H प्लस के कंडीशन में डिहाइड्रेशन होता है और आपको फाइनल प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. हियर दिस इज द 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम अगेन CH2 एंड दिस इज द नाइट्रोजन एंड दिस वन इज एथिल एंड एथिल ग्रुप. सो दिस इज व्हाट और फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. आपको यहाँ पे मैकेनिज्म करना है जैसे कि हमने पहले स्टेप में पहले रिएक्शन में रिएक्शन का मैकेनिज्म किया था, वैसा सेम में रिएक्शन का मैकेनिज्म करना है. सो हियर यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द पार्ट ऑफ द mechanism reaction and mechanisms of what Monish reactions.